Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going out for my friend's birthday. Yeah. Where to full. Okay, full. Here is the birthday girl. Sina, Rabia. Finally we reached because NTR Pier Disney is closed, that's right. Wow. No. Balloon, we are taking balloon, one piece 30 rupees. Oh, the
तुम मुझको महसूस करना बस इतना
Oh my god, Yun. Till now we are going back because food things is not allowed to take, that's why very sad. So no use of entering, so we are going back now. Pier Disney to NTR to Yard, Disney Park line. Guys, we are waiting for ticket. Ticket price. So I can do 20 rupees. Hi guys, we are going inside now. Lumpini Park. It's almost there. We are going inside Lumpini Park. Lumpini Park. 손에서 들어가기 시작해라. Huh? We are keeping pillow. We are keeping beds. Sulele is not allowed. Everything is not allowed. So we are taking only Pepsi and chips and balloon. It's almost there. See so many people there. Hi guys, we are going back now because it's already dark, it's already late. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday! Birthday girl, see that? Lore. Finish. Let's go back. Bye guys. See you in next vlog. Now we are going back. This is Telangana. This is Telangana psychiatric bro. We cannot go inside. That's why.